What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to do a demo project that we got on Fiverr. So this is a project that I did a few weeks ago. I'm going to repeat the process that I did to complete this project, so you can see how we are going to do the projects that we get from Fiverr. So this was the project given to me by Southern32, and this was the project about fictional book outline. So basically it provided us all the information about the book, and we are going to write an outline for it. It's really simple. So basically he provided the summary of the book. I'll just copy this and I'll say i I want to write a book outline. Okay, this is the summary of the book. Okay, I'm going to provide the summary. Go here, and women above age 18 are the primary readership of the book. So book is created for, or book is written for women above 18 years old. Okay, so we provided this information to ChatGPT as well, and then he gave us the genre of the book, which is paranormal thriller. Genre of the book is paranormal thriller. Okay, so this is he also gave us the plot of the, or the character and the main plot of the book. So I'll just copy this. The main plot of the book is this. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna see. Okay, so this is all the information he provided, and he wanted a book outline. So create a book outline for me. Okay, I'll just press enter. So basically we have provided ChatGPT with all the information that we got from the buyer. So now we are asking ChatGPT to create an outline of the book. Okay, so here you can see the ChatGPT is generating an outline for us, which is really interesting. And in this one prompt, we have just given all the information to ChatGPT within a single prompt, that we want to generate this, we want to do this with our outline. And now ChatGPT has generated all of the book outline for us. Okay. So one thing to keep in mind while it is doing it is Bridger. It's mentioning Bridger. So do we have Bridger in this? Okay, so we do have Bridger here. So make sure that ChatGPT does not add extra characters. Of course, one or more characters is enough, but make sure that it does not change the entire concept of the book within the outline. So it will be damaging, because let's say we have provided something else and ChatGPT is generating something else, so that will be really bad. So basically we are going to go through this, and we will after generating this, we will see whether it is according to our buyer's need or we need to change something. So for example, we have character called Nicandro, or we have character called Sham and Shay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, ChatGPT added Sham and Shay and their role, also Bridger's role. Okay, so I think this will work good, but you, of course, you have to read through all of this and what it's talking about and see if the outline represents that. If it does not, you can just go and create another chat and try to give this prompt more differently, or you can just ask ChatGPT here that you missed something, or you missed to add some character, or if you want anything to add inside this outline, you can also do that. You can ask ChatGPT to increase the number of chapters. For example, a buyer wants a 10 chapter outline, so you can increase that as well. So here you can see this, these are headings. So brief introduction to the main characters, setting the scene, etc, etc. So if your buyer wants paragraphs instead of headings, you can also ask ChatGPT one by one to create write a paragraph for this, then write a paragraph for this, etc, etc. It will take some time. You can do that as well. But what I need to tell you is don't just copy this and send it directly to your buyer. One thing that you can do when it comes to writing projects is you can have to make your project look aesthetic, look beautiful. So what I do is I go to canva.com. It's a free graphic design software online. So I'm going to go here, and these are a lot of templates here. So this is also this I created for my client. So basically these are act 1, chapter 2, part 2, chapter 4. Okay, so basically this was an outline created by myself. Now you can add these pictures related to each of the chapters, etc., etc., and make it a little bit more beautiful, and then you can send this book outline to your buyer. You can do this as well. You can also, of course, if you don't want to spend extra time on that, if you think that is not worth it, just copy this and send it, paste it inside a Microsoft Word document or Google Docs, and then send it to your buyer. And in this way you can simply create a lot of orders. So if you see, this does not take me a lot of time. It took a little bit of time, and you can do this and earn a lot of money on Fiverr. So this is how you can do projects. This was a live demo project that I did a few weeks ago. So this was just to show you that you can do it too.